Hey everybody, what is happening? Coach Tim out at Native Oaks, Northeast County, San Diego, here in SoCal. Happy Veterans Day, everybody. Thank you to my fellow veterans for your service. Appreciate you very much. Thank you to those who are serving. Continue to hold the line and stand the watch. I just secured the last tee time available to the public today. Going to be going out at 11:50. Going to have an awesome day today. It's going to be about 83 degrees out here. Really looking forward to that. Course is in tremendous shape, just coming out of fall maintenance. Unique situation with the driving range closed until 12:30. So going to get over here on the putting green, roll a few putts, and then I'm going to get over on the practice range and just make a few swings, loosen up, and get a little visualization in for that first tee shot. We'll get back with you guys a little bit later today. Have an awesome day, and as always, keep grinding.